In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in WordPress. Whether you're updating a blog post, refining a page, or just tidying up your site, resizing images can help create a more polished and professional look. You don't need to be a tech wizard to do it, just follow along step by step. First things first, let's get started by logging into your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already familiar, this is the control center for your entire website, where all the magic happens. Once you've logged in, navigate to either the Pages or Posts section, depending on where your image is located. Scroll through and select the specific page or post you're looking to edit and click the Edit button. This will take you to the editing screen where we can begin to work on resizing. Now that you're on the page in edit mode, the next thing to do is to locate the image you want to adjust. Click directly on that image and you'll notice that a toolbar specific to the image block will appear, along with a settings panel on the right. This is our gateway to making changes. Once you have your image selected, you have two convenient options to resize it. Let's start with the first, dragging to resize. You'll notice small blue dots located at the corners of the image. These are your visual resizing handles. Click and hold one of these dots, then simply drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. This method is straightforward and provides a quick way to visually see the size changes in real time. If you prefer a more precise approach, Option 2 involves using the Settings panel. Look over to the right sidebar under the Block section, followed by Image Settings. Here, you'll find image size options. You can choose between several presets like thumbnail, medium, large, or full size, depending on what fits best for your content. If these presets don't meet your needs, no worries. You also have the flexibility to enter a custom width and height under image dimensions. Simply type in your desired pixel measurements, and the image will resize to those exact specifications. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to resize an image in WordPress, using both a dynamic drag-and-drop method and a more exact settings-based approach, but you've also ensured that your site looks great with well-proportioned visuals. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your WordPress content more efficiently.